Hey guys, welcome to our first live session. If you missed it, you are watching this video right now. Um, you are students of Mrs. Applegarth, and we'll be going over some assignments for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Okay, when you come to your live session, and we will have 2 of those every week, make sure you follow these guidelines. I am also requiring you to have your video on. So if you don't have your video on, you won't get credit for coming in. I know that some people are really shy, but trust, turn your camera on. It's important for the back and forth that we're going to need to have. Um, when you join the session, make sure you're on mute. We'll be meeting for 30 minutes at a time. And then so the first 30 minutes we'll meet and we'll do our lesson. The last 30 minutes I will be available for question and answer as you guys are completing your assignments. Make sure siblings, pets, parents, whomever is hanging with you doesn't interrupt you during your time. This is our time together and we don't have very much of it during the week, so it's really important to keep that just to you. And then dress appropriately. Here's just 3 don'ts. Don't walk around with your device. It's really awful for people who get motion sickness. Don't interrupt your friend when they're talking. Don't eat or drink during the meeting. And then parents, while we love your interaction, our live class time is just student and teacher only. You're more than welcome to be a quiet observer, but and if your kid needs help getting on or it's muted or whatever they need technology-wise, feel free to help them. But let's save questions for the teacher for office hours. All right, and you guys can email me or send me a remind message if you need any help with anything. All right, so ways that I'm communicating. I'm sending out a Gmail and a Parent Square every Monday. That's the same message, so if you get one, you get the other. And it's going to have a list of everything we're doing that week, all of our items scheduled out. So you know what assignments you have, which days they are due on, and when our live lessons are. Google Classroom. We are going to do Google Classroom regularly. Sometimes I'm going to message you. So if something is really immediate pertaining to the day, I'm going to post it in Google Classroom. So you can always go to the live stream for any messages that I have. I will also put the same message on Remind. I have 2 reminds. If you're in my geometry class, we are Geo Apple. And if you're in financial, you are FA Apple. So all you have to do is text 81010, and for geometry, you text it here, and for my financial analysis, you text it here. All right, Google Classroom. This is your one-stop shopping. Our weekly assignments all live in Google Classroom. I'm going to just go take a peek, for example. All of your assignments will be in Google Classroom. I put the day that I want you to complete them in the title. So if you know, okay, this is week 1, you go, once again, you go to Google Classroom, click on classwork, and this is for all my students. The stream is where I'm going to leave you messages, and the classwork is where your assignments are going to live. So today, right now, in live time is Tuesday. So you should have Monday and Tuesday's assignments done. You turn them in and I can get them graded. When we're doing real assignments, I will be doing 1 grading session a week, but we'll talk about that at our next meeting. All right, when you guys go to turn in an assignment, you have your Meet the Student assignment this week. And so when you guys do that, let me show you how I want you to turn that in. You go to turn in your assignment, click add or create. Do not go to the file. It will create a new, whatever you selected to create, And if you go to turn that in, it'll be blank and you won't get any credit. So because all the stuff that I'm going to ask you to do usually originates from a template, it's going to live in your Google Drive. So you go to your Google Drive, pick that assignment, and then you can go ahead and turn that in. All right, thank you guys for coming. If you made it to the end, your secret word that I want you to send me to justify that you've watched this message is questions. So you're going to send me the secret word questions, and I'm going to circle that for you. Questions. So go ahead and message me questions. If you missed the assignment or the live lesson and you message me the word questions, you will, and you can do that however, can give you credit for attending today's session. All right, thank you guys, and have a great day. We'll see you at our next session.